Use him for.
Take a bite. It's really good.
Okay, you have to tell chat what this is.
Lamb balls.
This is lamb testicles.
It's not even a whole one, just a piece. A slice.
It looks like a fucking whole one.
Well, you're eating the whole thing, right?
Oh,
It doesn't.
what the fuck is that?
It doesn't smell like anything. Stop pretending.
It smells like dick.
Have you? It was.
No, I mean. Okay, Chad, this is
You can do it.
lamb testicle.
I have faith in you.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. Actually gonna throw up. Rana, I really want to throw up right
No,
now.
it's okay. Just don't think about it. Like, seriously, I just took a bite. It's nice. It's really nice. It's been a minute already. It doesn't taste like anything. I swear to God.
My first time, I told myself I would never eat any of this shit. Never.
How long are you gonna hold it for?
Forever? Okay. 30 subs equals all of it? JT, why are you cashing in on
You
this?
see?
Bro, it's good. Raymond, then you come here and eat it. Where are you, by the way? Come over.
I'm pretty sure if it's Raymond, he will eat it. He's not a puss like you.
Yeah, fine. I'll fucking grab that side. I don't give a fuck. As long as I don't have to eat some dick.
Hurry up! Do not disappoint your viewer.
Why do you have to say it like that?
One bite. The whole thing.
The whole thing?
He said the whole thing. See,
No,
make
I
him
was just
eat it
having
all.
a bite, right?
Look at it.
Oh.
See the whole. Just close your eyes. Put it in. That's it.
Fucking motherfucker. Touch my tongue. Fuck. What's this?
Hurry up. Do you want me to
It
help
won't go
you?
in. It won't go in. Okay, you do it.
Okay. Close your eyes. Open your mouth.
Sorry.
Even the girl's laughing at you.
Lamb testicles. She's trying to make me eat it.
If the girl's laughing at you, hurry up. Okay?
I'm gonna
Just-
cry. I'm actually gonna cry. Oh, don't get it out of my face. Get it out of my face.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Oh.
It's okay, just chew on it, chew on it.
Oh, I'm actually gonna throw up.
Oh no.
DJ spin it on the ones when I look into your eyes, girl, you got me mesmerized. I see you through the flashing lights. Eyes roll back, I feel so high. Girl, I've been onto